Hi you guys. Today is the last day of school before Halloween, so we're going to be doing some fun Halloween activities today as a class. The first one that we're going to do is called the Spooky Syllables. Spooky Syllables. If you find this sheet in your workbook, you'll see there's some pictures over here, and then over here it says 1, and in this row it says, this column it says 2. So we're going to sort the syllables. Whichever word has 1 syllable will go here. Whichever word has 2 syllables will go here. So you're going to need some scissors and some glue for this activity. I'm going to cut out a few pictures and do some with you. So spooky, maybe you could play some spooky Halloween music while you do this. Spooky. Okay, so I just cut out 4 pictures. One is a picture of a cat. Now, if you remember, a syllable is how many times our chin goes down when we say a word. Cat. How many times did my chin go down? You can also clap. Cat. How many syllables? Only 1. So the picture of the cat is going to go in the column that says the number 1. Oops, forgot to write my name. We always practice writing our names. We get in a good habit of writing our names on our papers. Okay, got my glue. The first one is a cat, and we figured out there's only 1 syllable. So we're gonna put the cat under here where it's just 1. A little glue will do the job. Cat. Okay, the next one that I have is a pumpkin. Pumpkin, let's clap this one together. Pumpkin, ready? Pumpkin. How many times? Pumpkin. 2. So that time, this one we're gonna put the 2, or the pumpkin, on the number 2 side. So you see we're sorting. We're putting the pictures with 1 syllable here, the pictures with 2 syllables here. All right, go ahead and do that with all of your pictures. Let's make sure you know what they all are. This one is a hat. This one is a spider. Right here we've got a piece of candy, ghost, owl, bag. Okay, do your best and practice your syllables. The next sheet we have is the which one. So go ahead, write your name on top of that one. Let me show you what it is. Which. It's a page with a bunch of pictures of witches. Okay, we're going to start in the top left box. This is the one with the house and the 3 witches. You need a crayon, any color that you want to use to color your witch. I'm gonna choose purple for this one. Okay, point to the box with the haunted house and the 3 witches. Which witch, see what they did there? Which witch is above the haunted house? Okay, you can either circle the witch or you can color it in. I'm gonna color it in because I think that would look cool. I'm gonna do my best, just try to stay in the lines as much as I can. Just kind of quickly color that witch. Now I'm gonna switch my crayon to the next one. This witch is above. What would we call these witches? Next to, you could say to the left, or to the left, or to the right. But this one is the witch that is above the haunted house. Okay, now go to the next box, which has the little boiling pot of water, which is called a cauldron. I'm gonna switch to a different color. I'm gonna do red this time. This one says, okay, so we have 1 witch down here on the ground and we have 2 witches in the air. It says, which witch is next to the cauldron? Next to. Point to the witch that is next to the cauldron. Remember, this one was above. So next to means beside. Right next to, by. I'm gonna color mine red. Well, this is like the violet red. Which witch is next to the cauldron? We don't wanna do the ones that are in the air. Okay, next, let's do the one under the haunted house, okay? We've got a chair and 3 witches. One's in the air, one's over here doing a spell, and one's behind the chair. It says, which witch is behind the chair? Whoops, I just gave you a clue. Which witch is behind the chair? Point to the witch that is behind the chair. We're going to color that one. And then the last thing, the last one that we haven't done yet says which witch is under the moon. There's 3 witches. They're all in the air, but which one is underneath the moon? Underneath. This one is next to. This one's kind of far away. This one is under. All right. I hope you guys have a happy and a safe Halloween. This is our last thing, and then you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.